Hello everyone, my name is Neeraj Best and I'm staying in Navi Mumbai and just want to discuss about a very good business opportunity with you all guys. So a few days back I watched a video on YouTube where this company is offering a kind of franchisee. This company works on a model called FOCO model. FOCO is basically franchisee owned company operated model where you don't need to have all the infrastructure and the system and employees, whereas this company will take care of everything. So you just need your phone and you can check it online. So this business opportunity gives you very good investment return, as well as an opportunity to be an owner of a restaurant. And this company is known as the Rolling Plate. Well, I would like to thank Rolling Plate for bringing this unique concept to India, and thank you very much.